one is factorable. So if we go to use the quadratic formula, one thing you need to remember is that these have to be in order: x to the second, x to the first, x to the 0. That's one thing to remember. The other thing you have to remember is it's got to be equal to 0, right? And actually, it should probably be equal to 0 first. Make sure it's 0. And on the other side, x to the second, x to the first, x to the 0. When you have it set up, then the a, the b, and the c are the coefficients. The values out front. And a always has to be the coefficient of x squared. So our a is 3. What's our b?
-6.
-6. And c is? So you probably should write down the quadratic formula just to make sure you'll be able to remember it for the test. X is equal to -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Whew. Are you ready to plug everything in? Start with -b, but be careful because b is, so I have -b, but what is b? -6, plus or minus the square root of b squared. What's b? Minus 4ac. What's a?
3.
What's c?
3.
All over 2a, but what is a?
3.
Whew. So I got the numbers all plugged in there. Now you got to simplify it. -6, +6, plus or minus square root of -6 squared, -4 times 3,
-12.
-12 times 3. Uh-oh. We got a problem. All over 6. I guess we don't really have a problem. 6 plus or minus square root of?
Nothing.
Nothing. 36, take away 36 is 0. That's a different one. What's the square root of 0? What times what is 0?
Nothing.
0. 6 plus or minus 0. So I get two answers. 6 plus 0 over 6. And 6 minus 0 over 6. What is 6 plus 0? What's 6 over 6?
1.
6 minus 0
6.
over 6. What is 6 over 6?
1.
You know what that's called when you get the same answer twice? What's that called again?
Double root.
Double root. That's called a double root when you get the same answer twice. The answers are called roots. They're the roots of the equation. And when you get the same answer twice, that's called a double root. So that's what I have to say on that one. So today we're actually gonna do the assignment that I was gonna give you on Friday. And I'll be hearing you hum the quadratic formula to yourself. Right, Will?
Yeah.
I bet you're gonna sing it out loud, right, Nellie?
Most definitely.
Oh, she's such a good girl. You too, Avery. Oh, such good girls. Dickus,
Yeah.
you're not in the back row though. It just doesn't seem right. Dickus in the middle row is not the same. Anybody with questions? So you did do Thursday's assignment, which I reassigned on Friday? You did do it? Well, then today's should be easy. I think it's 290. No, I'm not on the right page. I have the wrong page for some reason. It looks like it should be 313 and 314. Page 3. Will you double check me? WE 1 to 29, just the odds today. Is that the right page? I got the wrong page in my book. In my official book, I got the wrong page. Oh, look at this pen. It says Corgan Vision Clinic. Does that mean I stole it from you?
Probably.
Oh, you want it back?
Um,
Do you have a bunch?
I don't personally.
You don't? Well, it's one of those cool ones that's got a, on the end.
Right.
It's not just a regular ordinary pen.
Very cool.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I suppose you'll all be wanting to try my singer's mask now. Plus it smells like plastic.
Discount are faded.